I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Social media has become the new playground where morals are optional. Reality is twisted, and the word loyalty gets redefined every 5 minutes. When you add an age gap relationship into that storm, especially with a Filipina who thrives on likes, follows, and validation, you are in for a ride that's more dangerous than a typhoon warning in Manila Bay. Today, I am going to dig deep into how social media Filipinas and age gap relationships showcase a shocking lack of moral compass, and why so many foreign men fall into the same trap again and again. Social media is not just communication, it's performance. Many Filipinas see their Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram profiles as the resume for attention. Every post, every photo, every like is part of an image they're building, often for strangers more than for their partner. The foreigner boyfriend or husband becomes a side character in the social media soap opera used when convenient, but rarely the main focus. You might think you are her man, but on her feed, you are just another unpaid actor in her drama series. Age gap relationships are already under scrutiny. The older foreigner expects loyalty, appreciation, and seriousness. The younger Filipina often expects opportunity, validation, and status. When she steps onto social media, that expectation explodes, and she is now juggling the image of being taken care of while still fishing for outside validation. Older men become vulnerable to jealousy and insecurity when they see how much attention their partner seeks online. While you are thinking commitment, she is thinking content. The lack of moral compass entails double standards. She will see loyalty is important, but she's inboxing five other friends while posting couple photos. Excuses. It's just online. They're only my followers. You are too insecure. Reality. If the roles were reversed, accusations of cheating would fly. This isn't about technology, it's about values. So many young Filipinas use social media as a hunting ground for attention, gifts, and potential upgrades. A like is harmless until it's a DM, and a DM is harmless until it becomes a meetup. That's not morality, it's marketing. Foreigners often enable this behavior by showering money, gifts, and validation. They excuse red flags because they fear being alone. Many believe that financial support equals loyalty, but in reality, it often fuels entitlement. By the time they realize their partner's moral compass points only towards self benefit, it's too late. You are not her anchor, you are her ATM with Wi Fi. Recognize these red flags and be aware. Public humiliation when she exposes private fights online. Financial loss when she drains resources while entertaining others. Emotional devastation when you realize you were never the priority her audience was. The cycle continues because men don't learn from past examples. Social media is not just a tool, it's a morality filter. It reveals who values loyalty and who values validation. Age gap relationships become high risk because expectations clash with online temptations. Social media doesn't corrupt someone, it simply reveals who they really are. If your Filipino partner lacks a moral compass, her feed will expose it before she ever admits it. Before you dive headfirst into that long distance romance or age gap relationship, ask yourself, is she loyal to you or loyal to her followers? Because in this modern world, the difference between the two will cost you your dignity, your wallet, and sometimes even your sanity. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. Enjoy your day. See you next episode.